What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my three trades on the Nasdaq 100 today. So I hit above 100 pretty quickly today, so I just took that profit and didn't really try to risk a lot after that. That was like the standard, so I'm thinking if I can hit like $100 consistently every single day, as long as I hit that threshold, if it's pretty quickly, I'll probably just take it, and then if not, I will probably find a way to get a winner to ride and actually get some more upside. But I think my baseline for the day is like the target will be around $100 profit. So the first trade was on 945. So the 945 candle, that's this one, and I entered at 14896.9. Let me highlight it here. 14896.9. So I entered closer to the bottom. Now I actually closed this trade on the 1015 candle, and that's similar to yesterday's price action where it came up and basically went to the other zone. And as it went to the other zone, I just closed it. Price still actually break through the zone and could have went up a bit more. It went to the other zone and basically almost tapped that before pushing down. But you can see that as soon as it hit this zone, this was a zone where you can have like a huge reaction to the upside. I'm not looking to try and hold the trades and assume a lot of risk. If I make a good amount of money on the trade, a good amount of risk, I'm out. So that was this trade. I held it for about less than an hour, 112 profit. And then the next trade was at 11:01. So that's on the 11 o'clock candle, and I entered buy side again at 15,035. And right here I was just thinking the market kind of cooled down. It would have started to break up. It didn't break up at all, so I just closed this trade out, and you'll see this was a trade that was actually even. So I closed it out on the same price. 4 minutes later at 15,035, you'll see it here. All right, so the next trade now entered to the sell side, and that's on the same 11 o'clock candle. So let's actually move this. So on the 11 o'clock candle, I entered at 15,031, and this would have been a nice trade to the downside, but I just sold it out of a little panic. Like, it wasn't moving how I wanted it to move. It kind of tested the highs again, so I just exited it. Like, it wasn't worth the risk for me, and then it actually did push down. I could have taken some of this move down, but I closed it pretty close to where I opened it for $1.40 loss, and I'll put it up here. So that was at 15,033.1. So you see it's pretty close to where I entered. And that's it for today. That was just the three trades that I did on the Nasdaq 100 today. You can see that the price played around this zone pre-market. As soon as 9:30 came into play, it came above this zone, kind of used this zone as like a base before shooting up. You could have had your stop loss below here, shot up. As soon as it hit this zone, you could have said, okay, I'm looking for a next move up. But this fake out can really hit you out. It basically breaks you out here. If you didn't have your stop loss too low, it pushed right back up, came to the other zone before strong. So this is a supply zone, I would say, because you have a strong reversal. As soon as you get close to that price, you can see strong. Two big candles down. One, two. Basically come down to this other zone before you have like a range forming again. So you can see basically price is messing with the zones, especially look at this. Clean. Come up into the zone, mess around with it. Come up other zone, bounce off of it. And these zones are just drawn from where you've seen some violent moves in the market before, right? So that's basically it for today's video. See you in the next one.